Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm doing my Web 2.0 Smackdown on Pinterest. So right here is the logo for Pinterest, and it is a social media web and mobile application. I mostly use the app that I have on my phone just because it's easier for me since I constantly have my phone on me. So Pinterest helps you find different types of ideas or pictures. So these different things are saved in bookmarks that are actually called pins, and then you can save the pins to boards, which boards are kind of like just a category of things. So I have a picture of a few of the boards I have on my Pinterest right now. Um, so obviously a year ago I was really into wanting wispy bangs. So I have a few pins. So each of these pictures are different pins and they're all in this one board which I named Wispy Bangs. I'm also a camp counselor and a babysitter. So I have a few pipe cleaner crafts that I pinned just for some ideas. And so um, the pins can include photos, videos, drawings, animations, internet links. Like you can have a pin where it's a photo, and then you can click on that photo and it sends you to a link. There's so many different topics you can choose from. See, like a wispy, I have hair or craft ideas on here. You're also allowed to share your pins or your boards via Pinterest, iMessage, Facebook, Twitter, email. It's really great. So why do people use Pinterest? It allows individuals to be creative or find inspiration on things like decorating, cooking, traveling. Businesses sometimes use Pinterest to advertise themselves to their customers. So I shop at Urban Outfitters, so I just screenshotted their Pinterest page, and they have a bunch of different boards, 57 boards, where you can shop from. And then, so Pinterest is just so easy to use. You just search what you are looking for, and then you can pin it and then add it to your boards. Um, and the boards make it so much easier to find things later on when you're looking for them again. So why do I use Pinterest? The main reason for me is because I find it so fun just to browse different pins and see people's different boards. A lot of people have like different vision boards for like if people are like planning their wedding, they have different boards for that. So seeing that can be really cool. It gives me inspiration and so many like fun ideas. Um, and I use it to find new wallpapers for my phone, new design tips for my room, or like hair, makeup, fashion ideas. So I have a screenshot of one of my boards, which I named Laundry Room because I'm really into designing and decorating. So right now I want to like redo my parents' laundry room. So I have a few pins of that currently. Um, so how will Pinterest be useful in my future career? Um, so right now, I've been a camp counselor for 7 years, and I use Pinterest like all the time to come up with new ideas and new crafts for the kids to do, and they all love it. And I have an example here actually. So I named this board Camp, and I have a bunch of different pins in it of just different crafts. So I picked one of the photos, which is the paper plate spiders. And this is what it looks like. And then you hit visit, and then it takes you to the internet link, which has, on this page, it has the specific steps of how to make it, which is so helpful. So then for how will I use in my future career? So I am a psychology major with a minor in childhood studies, and so I hope one day to work with young children. And I think Pinterest will allow me to find creative ways to work with these children and to work with these children and just make it fun for them and me as well. So another thing is, well, it's Stockton, I could use Pinterest. Um, when I'm learning new things in my classes. So I just did an example of classical conditioning, and a bunch of pins came up, and I found this one to be pretty interesting, the picture. So I clicked on the picture, and then I visited the website, which is over here, and it's a classical conditioning overview. Um, so I find that to be super helpful too, that it has such a different array of uses on Pinterest. So yeah, that was my Smackdown on Pinterest, and thank you.